ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ नमो नारायणाय।
Namaskaram. Today I am going to chant Canto 61 of Narayaniam, blessing the wives of Brahmanas. Tatashrucha vrindavanato atidurato vanam gatastavam khalu gopagokulaihi hrudantare bhaktatarajangana kadambakanugrahanagraham vahana. Once, with a view to bestowing thy grace on a large group of Brahmana women, thou didst travel with the cows and cowherds to a forest settlement far away from Vrindavana. Tato niriksha sharane vanantare किशोरलोकं क्षुदितं तृषाकुलम् अदूरतो यज्ञपराणद्विजानप्रति व्यसर्जयोदिदिव्याचनायतान्. Trudging through uninhabited woods, the cowherd boys were stricken with hunger and thirst. So thou didst direct them to go to a place not very far off, where some Brahmanas were performing a yajna, and to beg of them some food. Gateshvato teshvabhidayate abhidam kumarakeshvodanayacishu prabho shruti stira apyabhininyurastrutim nakinchida dujushracha Mahisurottamaha. O Lord, when the boys asked them for food in thy name, those pretentious Brahmanas, though sound of hearing, kept silent as if they did not hear. Or alternatively, though well versed in Shruti, the Vedas, those Brahmanas behaved in violation of the Shrutis by not responding to the Lord's request for food. Anadharata kinnadiyo hi balakaha samayayuryuktamadam hi yajavasu chirata bhaktaha khalu te mahisuraha katham hi bhaktam tvayi taihi samarpayate. The boys returned, wounded at heart by this refusal. Such conduct as evinced by these Brahmanas is not strange in Vedic ritualists like them, for being always abhaktas, without any bhakti or devotion to the Lord, how could they make an offering of bhakta, cooked rice to thee? Or alternatively, how could these Brahmanas, who for long were abhaktas, without any cooked rice, having given up rice food as a part of ritualistic discipline, offer thee bhakta, cooked rice? Nivedayatvam grihini janaya mam disheyurannam karunakula imaha iti smitadram bhavateritagataste Dharakadarjanam yayachire. Inform the wives of these Brahmanas that I have arrived here. They will give you food as they possess a sympathetic heart. Thus instructed by thee with a smile, the boys approached these women and asked for food. Grahita-namni tvayi sambhramakuла shachatuर्विधं भोजरसं प्रगृह्यताः चिरं धृतत्वत् प्रविलोकनाग्रहाः स्वकैर्निर्वृधा पीतूर्णमाययुः. These women, who had for long entertained the desire to see thee, were thrilled with excitement at the very mention of thy name, and immediately ran to thee with 4 kinds of food, in spite of being forbidden to do so by their kith and kin. विलोलपिञ्चं चिकुरेकपोलयोः समुल्लसत्कुण्डलमाद्रमीक्षिते निधाय बाहुं सुहृदं ससीम्नीस्थितं भवन्तं समलोकयन्तताः. They saw thee standing with a hand resting on the shoulders of a friend, face lit up with a kindly look, cheeks glowing with the reflection of thy ear ornaments, and crest decorated with quivering peacock feathers. तदा चकाची त्वदुपागमोद्यता गृहीतहस्तादयितेन यज्वना तदैव सञ्चिन्त्य भवन्तमञ्जसा विवेश कैवल्यमहो कृतिन्यसौ. Indeed, one of the very fortunate of these women, being held back by their husband, a ritual-bound Brahmana, immediately got absorbed in contemplation on thee, and in no time attained to liberation with utmost ease. आदाय भोजाननुगृह्यताः पुनस्तवदङ्गसङ्गस्पृहयोञ्जतीर्गृहम् विलोक्य यज्ञाय विसर्जयन्निमा श्रजकर्तप्रतुर्नुपीतास्वगर्हाणान्. Though these women liked to abandon their homes and be with thee at thy service, thou, after gracefully receiving their food offerings and giving them thy blessings, did direct them to go home for the proper conduct of the Vedic sacrificial rites. Besides, by thy grace their husbands were rendered free from all ill feeling towards them for their disobedience. Nirupya dosham nijamanganaajane विलोक्य भक्तिं च पुनर्विचारिभिः प्रबुद्धत्वयि स्तवं विष्टुतो द्विजैर्मरुत्पुराधीश निरुन्दिमे गदान्. O Lord of Guruvayur, after the yajna, the true significance of the incident dawned on the minds of these thoughtful Brahmanas, and they sang thy praise, realizing their own mistakes and recognizing the greatness of the devotion evinced by their wives. May thou assuage my woes. So the Canto 61 is completed. I'll be back with the next canto in the coming week. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat.